Respect for the environment ensures a sustainable future for all. Here are 10 habits to promote a healthier environment. Number 1. Recycling. Proper recycling reduces waste and conserves resources. Familiarize yourself with local recycling rules. Number 2. Sustainable living. Eco-friendly choices protect the environment. Choose sustainable products and reduce waste. Number 3. Reducing carbon footprint. Lower emissions help combat climate change. Limit energy use and consider renewable energy sources. Number 4. Conscious consumption. Buy only what you need. Opt for products with less packaging and longer lifespans. Number 5. Planting trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide